Hello, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing an overview of the ETFs. You can say, why do we do this? Well, first off, I will tell you, we try to streamline and eliminate anything that would not be useful to us. Why waste time? We have a limited amount of time. We use it efficiently. So here's a foundation for you. Leading stocks produce leading groups, and leading groups produce leading stocks. Scan the ETFs and you can see what's strong, what's getting weak, to avoid, what's getting stronger to concentrate on. Just good business sense. So here we go. And again, we only have a limited amount of time, so let's use it wisely. Biotechnology is starting to pick up a little bit, but it's been definitely lagging, nothing special there. ARC Innovation. This was one of those really hot ETFs last year, and then it kind of ran into some, pulled back with the markets, starting to pick up a little bit again. That's a plus. Now, is there any real clean entry here? No, there's not. But it's showing some improvement, and that's good because this owns a lot of the big tech names. ARC Internet, it's just kind of going sideways, nothing special. Okay, that's where it's at this point in time. Biotechnology heated up right here. I think it was one or two stocks that did that. Lifted off. That's good to see with biotechnology. Oftentimes better to do a biotech ETF than an individual biotechnology stock because of risk. Cloud computing was really strong for us last year. I mean, this was great, okay? And then it hit a speed bump for a while, and now it's starting to turn back up. That's good to see. Technology related. Energy's hanging in there. Good to see, energy. This one's Dow Jones Internet, starting to pick up. Technology related. IBD 50 still lagging. Just going sideways. Nothing special there. Gold miners, hanging in there. Junior gold miners. That's easy for me to say. It's doing okay. It's okay. I mean, always ask yourself, would I see this pattern right here in any book saying, man, this is where you go? Not really. Gold, kind of got hit on Friday. Okay. Cybersecurity starting to pick up again. That's a plus. So you can go online and find out what are the top 5 or 10 holdings in this ETF. See if any of them are doing anything. It doesn't take that long. There's another biotech ETF. Lifted off good. That was probably one or two stocks that did that. Biotechnology. Internet or online retail. I mean, look at this. Is this a thing of beauty? And yeah, we were involved with online retail and all that. And it's just still kind of going sideways. North American technology picking up again. Isn't that neat to see? So what does that tell you? Well, I guess I should maybe look at some technology stocks. Yeah. Should have been doing it way back here, in here, and we were buying. IHI Medical, just chopping around, nothing really special. Mid-cap, forming a nice kind of a base right here, folks. That's good to see. One slight negative, heavy selling volume on that bar, but it's forming kind of a cup and handle. Mid-cap stocks, all right. Home builders, losing leadership. See this? Look at that selling. Home builders. What has it been telling us? I mean, folks, it was telling us right there on that selling, and then right here, hey, you better be careful with me. So we've avoided them. There you go. Owns a lot of the max list stocks. Look at this, another one. I even have the note on it. Many of the big tech stock names. Look at that, big name tech stocks. Easy for me to say. Picking up, good to see. Jets, global, okay, airline jets. Going sideways. Nothing at this point in time until it starts to pick up. So what does that tell you? I don't think I need to look at a lot of airline stocks. There you go. Move on. Regional banking, just going sideways. Lost a little bit of leadership here. All right, nothing really special at this point in time. Mid-cap, another mid-cap ETF. Acting pretty good. What is that telling you? That the rally's spreading out a little bit. Good. Oil services lifted up strong. Another energy play. Okay, good. Online retail, another online retail ETF. What does that say? Be a little careful with online retail. There you go. Software, super strong last year. I mean, look at that. That's sweet potato pie. And now, just going sideways. That's not the place to be. NASDAQ 100 starting to pick up a little bit. QLD. Love the NASDAQ 100. Same thing true with QQQ. Cloud computing, another cloud computing ETF. Kind of grinding back, but nowhere the leadership that it was back in here or here. Nowhere near that. Okay? So maybe an area not to really key on. Silver, just going sideways. Oh, steel. There's another steel ETF. Look at that base. That looks pretty good to me. That's nice to see. We're involved with steel, and we have been since back in here. Semiconductor ETF, kind of a deep cup with a handle. Semiconductor, technology, big tech stocks. Connect the dots. The leveraged one, okay, good. Spiders, near highs, right near highs. That's good to see. Same thing true with the leveraged one. Nice. Folks, you take a look at this right here and you can say, I guess the S&P 500 wouldn't be a good place. Doesn't look too bad. Be a good place to look for stuff. You got it. Done. In 4 seconds, you can say, okay, I guess that's an area to consider. Same thing is true with the leveraged one. Solar, right here. In 1 second, literally, you can say, I'm not looking at solar stocks. Done. Move on. That's simple. That's power for you. Small cap, another small cap ETF, leveraged, looks pretty good. Look at that. U.S. oil, look at that lifting up. What's it been saying? It's an area to look at, and we have. Aerospace and defense took off, steadily grinding up, an area to watch. Another biotechnology ETF, just kind of chopping around, nothing really special. Energy was really hot, and now it's just, it's going sideways, forming a little base here maybe. Home builders, what does this tell you? For right now, you know what it tells me? Look at the selling volume on this bar right here. It tells me I'm not going to, stay away. Stay away. There's better places to go. There you go. And if that makes you money, that's good. And if that saves you money, that's great. That's why we do this. Materials, just basing in here, that's all right. Oil and gas. Notice we've seen a couple of energy themes for a couple, some of them starting back a couple weeks ago. What's that tell you? Hey, energy's been a good place to look into. Communications is hanging in there, technology related. Oh, surprise, surprise, another energy ETF. How about that? There you go. Financials are hanging in there. Got hit a little bit on Thursday, okay, but they're steadily grinding up. We're about done here. Industrials, steadily grinding up, basing right now. Technology starting to pick up. Consumer staples going sideways. Utilities, quiet, just basing. We're almost done. Consumer discretionary, maybe it'll start to push through the 50-day. All right. Metals and mining. We own a couple of these, like STLD, NUE. There you go. Retail. Look at this. It's picking up. Look at that. Look at that run, folks. Software, technology, picking up. Good to see. We're about done. And back to the top.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.